What is the major product of the following cross-aldol condensation? Here if you look at the reactants, one is aldehyde and the other one is ketone. So for this we have to fix one carbonyl compound and use alpha hydrogen atom of the other carbonyl compound. So if one is aldehyde and the other one is ketone, fix aldehyde and use alpha hydrogen atom of ketone, because aldehyde is more electrophilic. The carbonyl carbon atom of aldehyde is more electrophilic. So fix aldehyde of fix the aldehyde and use alpha hydrogen atom of ketone. Again I am repeating, they asked us to write the major product of the crossed aldol condensation. If you look at the reactants, one is aldehyde and other one is ketone. So if aldehyde reacts with ketone, fix the aldehyde fix the aldehyde and use alpha hydrogen atom of ketone. So now let us see the reaction there. CH3 C double bond O H. Now it reacts with which compound? CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. C double bond O CH3 CH2 CH3. Use this alpha hydrogen atom. Use alpha hydrogen atom of ketone and fix the aldehyde molecule. So what will I get? CH3C. The alpha hydrogen atom of ketone attacks the carbonyl oxygen. So OH, H, CH, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This on heating, it loses a molecule of water. So what will I get? CH3CH double bond CH, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This should be your final product. So let us see what is the product there. Option D is your answer. Option D is your answer. This is option D.